How's it going, everybody? So this video is going to be a bit different. So I'm just going to have a little talk about just some things that I just want to have a talk about. So number one I just want to say is that I will not be posting daily. Like sometimes you might see me post daily, but I will not post daily all the time. So that's one thing I would like to say. One of the other things I would like to announce is that I am doing the potato war thing, but I haven't been doing it for a while. Well, I've been busy with other things, so I haven't been doing too much of the potato war, but as you can see in this video, I'll just be doing a bit of grinding, but not too much. But also, I'd just like to announce that I am making a Roblox game. It's not going to be that good because I suck at making games, but I am making Roblox games, so I will not be posting that. I will still be posting, but if a video might be delayed or might not be any videos, that might be one of the reasons. So I just would like to say that, and I would not even let you guys have it. Not really. I can't really let you guys have early access, but I just leak the game and stuff like that, and I'll give you guys updates on how the game's going. Don't want to give hints about what it is. I'm just going for a simple type game. I'm not doing a simulator. Just giving you hints. I'm not doing a simulator or a tycoon. None of that stuff, because number one, simulators will actually start getting taken down, and yeah. So I do not want my game to be taken down. Understandable. So I would just like to have a little talk about that stuff. Didn't really have anything else I need to talk about. But also haven't been working on my island for a little bit, so this is what the island looks like. It looks a bit ugly, but I'm gonna start. So a lot of things I want to do, I can't do with this potato wall because I'm spending all my money on the potatoes. So it's like, what do I do? So I just like to just have a little chat, and I might even make another video a few days later. Also, there will be, just giving you a heads up, there will be about 2 island videos today, and maybe at least a couple Nico's Net bots, because I like that game. And please comment what games you want me to play. I read all the comments that everybody sends me, and just commenting is just a nice appreciation, showing that you actually watch my videos. So you can just comment hi, and that just means you watch my videos, because it's just nice to do that. But that's just all I wanted to have a talk about, how some videos will be delayed because I'm making a game. If people actually want to be a tester, I might let that. It's just maybe not. I will let testers though. I will actually want some testers. I've already got some people in mind, but there can be more. And yes, also so yeah, just want to say I'm also making a lot of videos today, and that's pretty much all I would like to talk about. Not crazy news, I just wanted to just have a little talk about stuff, and just if you're curious, oh, why hasn't this been uploading, and yeah. And I will see you guys another time. BlueScrumpy out.